Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your GTX 1660 Super. First, ensure your power supply has the necessary PCIe power connector, typically an 8-pin or 6-pin. Always power down and unplug your computer completely before opening the case. Gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap, to prevent damage to components. Safety first for a smooth installation. Now let's install the card. Open your computer case and locate an available PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. These are usually the longest slots. Remove the corresponding metal bracket cover from the back of your PC case to make space for the card's ports. Carefully align your GTX 1660 Super with the slot and press down firmly, but gently, until it seats properly and clicks into place. Next, we'll connect the power and display. Take the 8-pin or 6-pin PCIe power cable from your power supply unit and plug it into the matching port on your GTX 1660 Super. Make sure it's fully seated and secure to provide stable power. Finally, connect your monitor to the new graphics card using either a DisplayPort or HDMI cable, not to the motherboard's video output. To finalize the installation, secure your GTX 1660 Super to the PC case with a screw, typically at the bracket. This prevents the card from sagging or coming loose. Close your computer case, reconnect all your peripherals and plug in the power cable. Boot up your system, and once Windows loads, download and install the latest NVIDIA drivers for optimal performance and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.